All right, so another helpful thing that Kipsters can do on Nearpod is matching. So in order to do matching, you would click Add Slide, you would go to Activities, and you would click Matching Pairs. So there's a couple ways that you could use this. You would put your instructions in, so match the words that rhyme if we were doing, a lower school example. And you could either enter text, so I could put cat, bat, like that, and click done. Or I can also add an image. So you can upload an image if you would like. That'll take a little bit longer. Or I can just search Google. It'll search Google Images for a picture of a cat. And then click save. And then I'm gonna also put a baseball bat here and click save. Show you that one more time, I would click add pair. I'm trying to think of other words that rhyme. Whoops. Add image. I can put a picture of a dog. Like. And then because I messed that one up, I would go here. And I'm also going to put a picture of a log. So what that would look like from a Kipster perspective, if we previewed this, they would see all of these things and they would match. The directions will come down, so match the words that rhyme. Up, and then cat and bat rhyme, and log and dog rhyme. So Kipsters would get that immediate feedback and would know how they were doing. So that's one way you would do that. So I could click save. That would go under phonics. So I'm going to make sure I move that to the phonics lesson because I don't want to get confused over where that should go. You could also use this for your math fluency. I would say particularly in kindergarten and first grade, this would be helpful. So the way I would do that, again, add slide, activities, matching pairs. So match the number to its visual representation. And you can translate that if you would like. And then you would click add pair. So I'm going to click add image. Again, you could snip this from Eureka. It'll just take you longer. So I would just search 6 dots in a 10 frame. And fortunately, everybody uses Eureka Math. So it comes up very quickly on Google Images. And then I would just put the number 6 here. Then I can click add another pair. This time I'm going to do 9. Click add an image. One thing to look out for here is that oftentimes on Eureka, 9 might be the correct answer for multiple answers, and that will not work on this program. So you'll just want to make sure that there's one for everyone. So then this time I'll do 7. And the number 7 here, and click done. If you'd like to add a time allotment for Kipsters to do this, you can just decide, they'll have 1 minute for their fluency. You might consider giving them a little bit longer just as they get used to the program. Then as a student, again, the preview, I would just click 9, 9, 6, 6, 7. That's how you could use that for math fluency. The last way that I think this could be really helpful, so for example, and again, I want to make sure I put this after math. So I'm going to go to math and put it here. In the upper grades, you could also use this. You would just use more text. You could, put evidence and put, is this, which inference could be made from this evidence, or which evidence would be the best to support this answer. So there's lots of different things you could do with those matching pairs.